Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, I wanted to give you a tip about instruments. So when you go in to have a look at a property that might be water damaged, might have had a water ingress of some description, or you might have found some mold and you're thinking, why is the mold in here? What sort of moisture detection kit have you got? Are you using a lot of different tools to use for moisture detection? People just go in with one moisture meter. Well, you really should be utilising other tools. You know, you've got a good infrared camera is going to be fantastic for your fleet. Check out Hike Micro, what they have to offer, but they've got really good cameras to start to look at your temperature differentials in your walls, temperature differentials in your materials. You go, maybe that's when I can back it up with my moisture meter. Then you might have a case where you might have to use a good video scope. A good video scope, these are from Jeet. We've got lots of options for Jeet if you have a look. And they've got a 360 view that they can go in and have a look inside of the cavities. We've got ones that connect to your phone, that can actually take video and save onto your phone and go for porting. So fantastic to start to look at your different materials. And you go, oh, there's mold on that wall. Why? Let's go and have a look inside the wall. Let's now go and have a look inside the cabinetry. So this, your camera first, then you can go deeper inspection to have a look inside. And then you've got to have a really good moisture meter to back it up. You need a really good moisture meter with lots of attachments to back it up. You need to have attachments that go inside cavities, inside timber, deep into concrete, deep into building materials. So you can start to go deeper into those building materials to check exactly what it is, not just checking the surfaces. So have a look at your moisture meter kit now and your inspection kit and see what are you lacking right now. What could you do better? Because the more moisture you can find, the more drying you can justify, the more money you can make as a drying expert. So why would you go out there and buy cheaper, inferior moisture detection equipment where you don't find the problems? You have to find the problems. So the better inspection equipment, the more problems you're going to find, the more problems you're going to solve. I hope that helps. Check out our website, check out Garn moisture meters, check out Hike Micro, infrared cameras, and check out Jeet video scopes. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.